The future is here. Welcome to Luca Techty YouTube channel. Before we begin, we'll be sure to subscribe for more great content. When we think about 2050, it seems like it is ages from now and we imagine a completely different world. But in reality, it is just 30 years from now and we can already know what will be possible to have by that time. We have a lot of environmental, social problems, and let's see how technology may solve them by 2050. Today's video is about technology of the future. The growth of technology over the past decade had massive progress in terms of technological inventions and applications in our day-to-day life. In the years ahead, the global chain of tech will take a step ahead, resulting in a futuristic tech world. New forms of technology are bound to change how we live in society. Drone. Let's start with drones. Drones in future will transport supplies to the remote or inaccessible areas. They will deliver medical supplies and vaccines to remote locations, dangerous places, inaccessible places, as well as places affected by war or contagious diseases. How is drone technology improving? Recreational, commercial, and military drones have seen upgrades such as advanced navigation systems, increased range, data storage, and surveillance systems. The exponential growth of UAV technology has led to a surge in drone patent filings. Hyperloop. Hyperloop will bring sustainability and faster travel, with potential to disrupt competing industries once operational by 2040. Hyperloop meets demand for faster and more sustainable travel. Is the Hyperloop the future of transportation? In just a few short years, a new transportation model will revolutionize not just the transportation industry, but all of society. The Hyperloop, a high-speed system that is energy efficient and without direct emissions. Artificial intelligence. How artificial intelligence will change the future. By 2050, technology will read emotions to personalize each customer experience, and everyday interactions will be a mix of humans, enabled machines, and hybrids. According to Forbes, by 2050, artificial intelligence technology will be in 95% of electronics for new product designs. And by 2050, it is expected to have everything connected to the cloud and to the internet. According to Business Insider, space tourism could be feasible in 2050, but likely only for the very wealthy. Prosthetics. What is the future of prosthetics? Well, the future of the prosthetic is really neural. It's a way in which we can hook up our brains and nerves with our prosthetics to be able to control them with our thoughts, with our minds, the way we control our own limbs. Space tourism. According to Business Insider, space tourism could be feasible in 2050, but likely only for the very wealthy. Rocket companies like Jeff Bezos' Blue Origin and Elon Musk's SpaceX will push the envelope with space travel enough that tourism will be feasible in the year 2050. Someone who could afford to pay 100 million quid could spend a week in orbit, but it would only be for rich people in 2050. It's not going to be something that's cheap anytime soon. Self-driving. Will there be self-driving cars in 2050? If growth is sustained, the report suggests by 2045 self-driving vehicles could meet the total mobility demand of the US 3 trillion miles per annum. Then by 2050, autonomous vehicles could theoretically meet the entire transport needs of the world, with less than one accident per year. Auto Trader's Cars of the Future design and full report predicts that by 2050 cars will be fully autonomous and electric. With advanced customization technologies, the 2050 car is a driverless vehicle in the shape of a smooth pod that can change color with the tap of an app. Thanks for watching, everyone. What do you think of this look at the future? Can you guess which of these things we will actually have in 2050? And what do you personally want to have now and not later? Leave your comment below and see you next video.